Thanks for tuning in with Tilde. Today we'll be walking you through our merchant dashboard. Welcome to your merchant dashboard. On your dashboard tab, you're able to view your total processing volume and transaction summary. You can filter through the total processing volume by date, and you're also able to see the average transaction amount, your transaction success rate, and your chargeback rate. In the Payments tab, you're able to see each individual payment that's come through and are able to filter the information by your preference. Your Payouts tab shows you your payouts, along with their status, transaction count, and net payout. You may also filter as you need based on the status, amount, or date. The Disputes tab will show you the current disputes that you have. You're able to filter by dispute status, date, cardholder name, or ID. The Reports tab is where you can download your payments, payout summary, payout details, merchant fees, processing summary, and disputes reports. The Customers tab will show you the customer information that you have on file, including their name, email, and phone number. The Account page shows your merchant overview, including your business representatives and your processing capabilities. In the other sections, you're able to view your bank-to-bank processing details along with your card processing details, view and add new users, customize your email preferences, and view any requested or previously uploaded documents. Check out our YouTube page for other delightful tutorials and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to see what we're up to.